Are you trying to draw original art, but it keeps turning out ordinary? Or maybe you watch tons of videos like professional artists draw, but no matter how closely you follow their techniques, you can't get the same result? What if I told you that professional artists like Mogoon aren't just better at drawing? They follow an entirely different approach that makes every choice easier, every detail more powerful, and every idea stand out, without relying on luck or randomness. This isn't just another technique, this is what actually makes art look original and professional, and I will show you exactly how to use it. Every time you watch an art video from your favorite artist, you expect to learn a secret technique that will finally make your art better. But let's be honest, how many times did they actually improve your art? You apply them hoping your art would finally level up, only to feel like something is still missing. But why it happens? Because you really missed something fundamental that many artists prefer to leave behind the scenes. You might think it's some secret rendering trick, hidden tools or special brushes, but all of these things are actually not important. If you take away the details, the lighting, the textures, their art still works. Why? Answer this question. What's more important? A rough sketch with a great idea or a beautifully rendered piece with a weak foundation? Here is the mistake a lot of artists make. They focus on rendering first, thinking that polishing their art will make it look better and bring their closer to the professional level. But is it really true? Sure, lighting, materials and details matter, but no amount of rendering can save a weak foundation. So, what actually makes an illustration feel original and professional? Pro artists like Mogoon don't just start drawing, they create a strong idea for the illustration. And no, I don't mean spending hours on thumbnails, I mean something even smarter. So what's the real secret? What professional artists do that most beginners don't? They plan.
Are you serious?
Most artists start an illustration the same way. You get an idea, you grab a bunch of references and start sketching, hoping something works. Sound familiar? Now, here is what pros like Mogoon actually do. Before they even touch the canvas, they define their main goal. The goal might be to practice a skill, draw attractive body, experiment with style, which I talk about this in detail in the free Adapt kit, or create something for social media. You may have more goals, but they should have priority. And this changes everything. If you want to draw originally like Mogoon, every idea, every reference must serve that goal. You can't just grab a random reference and say, "This looks cool, I will use it." If it doesn't help achieve the goal, it's a bad reference. This naturally filters out useless ideas, removes distractions and makes decisions easier. Now let's draw up the core concept. What is it? Core concept is those parts of the illustration that will remain unchanged. Without them the main goal cannot be achieved. What's the main object in the illustration? What's the story behind the art? What's the mood? Dramatic, peaceful, intense? So how does this step works? It creates natural boundaries, which makes decisions even clearer. And what even better, you don't need to figure out about everything at once anymore. But this will not work if you skip one crucial step. Most artists make a huge mistake and skip these steps. They jump straight into sketching, thinking a few character references are enough. But pros like Mogoon don't do that. Instead of sketching right away, they refine the composition first. They define what's in the foreground, midground and background. They decide the camera angle that best conveys the mood. They plan how lighting and color will guide the viewer's eye. But how does this actually make your art original? This way you can immediately draw a well-organized, solid composition. You are not wasting hours experimenting with random results. And now is the time to learn about the secret ingredient which will make this system most effective. To make this process even easier, I have prepared a ready-to-use planner that guides you through all these steps. You can get it for free in the Adapt kit, link in the description. But here is the secret ingredient. A prose sketch isn't about details. The first sketches only focuses on composition, balance and flow. Because if the idea is strong, it can easily be filled with details. That's why pros don't waste time fixing things later. They don't guess, they don't hope, they plan. But just planning isn't enough if you are still wasting hours without even realizing it. These 3 hidden time wasters and how to get rid of them I will show you in the next video.